Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling high-purity alumina powder and a crucible rated for extreme heat. Heat is the mechanism here. You need to reach melt conditions above 2000 degrees C so the alumina becomes fluid. Once your furnace and inert atmosphere are stable, load roughly 0. 2 grams of powder around the seed mount, position a clean sapphire seed, and start a controlled ramp. Make sure to monitor gas flow and thermocouple readout as you approach melting so the growth phase begins reliably. Once done heating to the melt window, pause to let the alumina homogenize and clear any bubbles. This improves crystal clarity. You then lower the pre-cleaned seed into contact with the melt and begin a slow pull-and-rotate routine. Rotation at a few RPM prevents striations, while a controlled withdrawal produces diameter. Make sure to modulate furnace power and feed rate to keep a steady meniscus. The growth regime balances temperature gradient, rotation, and atmosphere composition to produce a coherent sapphire boule. You complete growth by very gradual cooling. Ramping down at only a few degrees per hour minimizes thermal stress and prevents cracks. Once at ambient temperature, extract the boule, section it with a diamond saw, and lap and polish faces for inspection. If you encounter cloudy inclusions, cracks, or irregular growth, re-establish a stable melt, lower ramp and pull rates, and verify seed orientation and rotation. Making these adjustments corrects common defects and yields clearer, larger sapphire crystals in subsequent runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.